research and look into Islam. For most people like myself, from my background, being white British, a lot of people are misguided and given a lot of misinformation on Islam. Islam is a way of life, and if you read the Quran, it's basically like a manual to life. Just like you get a manual with a car, a TV, it's just a way of life, and it's a correct way of life. You'll be pleasantly surprised looking into it, so my advice would be to research it and look into it, and don't listen to all the false narratives and all the misinformation that you see in the media and you hear from people that have never looked into Islam or understand Islam at all, because you get a lot of people talking bad about things that they don't know of. So my advice would be just do some research, find yourself some good brothers, and trust me, this will be the journey that will be the best journey you could possibly take in your life.